Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing another look using the Wet n Wild Wild Heart Artistry palette. This is look number 50. Look number 50! Can you believe that? I know I say that in every video, but my goodness. 50 looks, one palette. This palette's awesome, by the way. I did check, it is still available. And yes, look number 50, and this is a holiday glam. Let's get started. I'm using the Wet n Wild My Last eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to use a shadow shield under the eyes to catch any fallout that I might have. I am using a black eyeshadow, so there will be fallout. Of course, I'm using the Wet n Wild Wild Heart palette. The first shade I'm going to be using today is in the 4th row, 5th eyeshadow. It is this matte purple shade. It is like a plummy purple. It's so pretty. It's matte, and I'm taking this on a tapered blending style brush, and I am going to press that in the crease against the orbital bone. I will be taking it slightly higher than the orbital bone. It is going to take a minute to really build this shade up, but like I always say, same thing with the black eyeshadow we're getting ready to use, salt and pepper. So last row, last eyeshadow is the black eyeshadow. It's a matte black, and yes, with a more dense, stubbed off crease brush, I am packing the black in the outer corner little by little. And like I said, salt and pepper method here. Like just like in cooking, you want to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, not to overdo it, or you could ruin your entire dish. Now for the lid, in the 2nd row, the 3rd eyeshadow is this beautiful copper shade. I'm going to be using that on the lid today with a flat shader. I'm also going to be using the Sheglam Sunday Picnic setting spray on the brush, and these eyeshadows you can use wet or dry, and I'm literally going to paint this eyeshadow on the lid. I'm going to paint it in the space on the lid that was blank. And I'm just going to keep going over it, building it up until my liking. And I'm going to do like a kind of like a mock, like faux cut crease without doing the full cut crease. I'm going to be taking the black eyeshadow and blending that with, well, the best that I can, the copper shade, because one is matte and one is metallic shimmery. And then I'm going to take the purple shade and add a little bit back on there. And in the 1st row, 2nd eyeshadow is the 3rd eyeshadow that I've hit pan on. And we just hit pan in this video. So on a large fluffy eyeshadow brush, I'm taking that under the brow to highlight with. And I'm going to press that under the brow and also blend it and bring it down over top of the purple shade that is in the crease. And this is really going to help start to fade down and shape the crease and the whole look. And then in the 2nd row, I'm taking this beautiful pink shade on the same brush that I used that purple, and I'm going to take the pink between the eyebrow highlight and the purple crease color, and I'm overlapping it a little bit, and I'm going to blend those together, and as you can see, they blend really nicely together. And then I will show you in a second what a beautiful fade that made from the black to the purple to the pink into the brow highlight. And I'm removing the shadow shield. It did catch fallout. And then I'm going to use the Sheglam felt tip eyeliner to do a quick wing. And once I have that wing, I am going to use this eyeliner. Is from Temu, and it's just a Plum eyeliner, and I'm going to tightline with that as well as use that in my waterline. On the lower lash line, I'm taking the purple that I used in the crease on the lower lash line. Taking that icy pink in the palette, which is the 2nd row, 4th eyeshadow. I'm also going to spritz my brush for this as well, and I'm going to apply that in the inner corner. It's going to help bring some light in the inner corner. And at first I was a little apprehensive about this look, but I think in the end it really came together, and I'm just loving the double winged eyeliner and just the whole glam vibes of this. For lashes, these are Ardell Wispies with the AOA Studio Lash Adhesive, and I put these on And after I apply these, we're going to do the rest of the double winged eyeliner. This is Like Royalty from Hard Candy. It's a liquid liner. I'm not sure if it's available anymore, but it is beautiful. And I do a line of that, tracing the line of the winged eyeliner to create the double winged eyeliner. I love this double winged eyeliner effect. And I'm going to mesh my real lashes with the false lashes using the AOA Studio Duoflex Mascara. Once I have that, the eyes are done. And for lips, I'm using the Maybelline Lust for Blush 665 lipstick. It's such a beautiful matte pink shade. And I was going to do a nude lip, but I'm so glad that I did not. I'm living for this pink shade right now. But very glam look. I love how it makes my green eyes pop. I hope you enjoyed today's video, found it helpful. Maybe we'll try the look out for yourselves. Stay tuned for more looks using the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links and a product list.